Hey there, tired of typing up invoices from scratch every time? Creating a professional invoice in FreshBooks is quick, easy, and helps you get paid faster. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to do it. Log into your FreshBooks account and click the Invoices tab, then the New Invoice button. Start by selecting your client from your contact list. Add line items for your services or products, including descriptions, quantities, rates, and any applicable taxes. You can add payment terms, a due date, and a personal note. Then, preview and send it directly via email from FreshBooks, or download a PDF to send yourself. My crucial pro tip: use the Save as Draft feature for templates. If you have a standard invoice for a recurring service, set up the invoice with all the line items and details, then save it as a draft. Next time, duplicate the draft and just update the date and any specifics. It's a huge time saver. Just like that, you've sent a clean, professional invoice that builds trust and speeds up payment. What's the most important detail you include on your invoices? Let me know in the comments. If professional business guides help you, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.